Hi, my Princess House friends. Lindabradley here. So, the holidays are coming before you know it. Everybody's already advertising their Black Friday sales, so I decided to start a little bit early as well. You know, around the holidays, you're going to do a lot of cooking, and so I have a cookware set on sale for you that you're just going to love. Cookware is our #1 selling item anyhow. If you're a very good cook, then you know that quality cookware helps your meals taste better. If you're not such a good cook, that's a secret that you might want to know. It definitely helps to have good quality cookware. And I have a great set for you today that I think you're going to love. It has some of the most popular items, and the most important thing is it's a great value. So you ready? This is great for a basic kitchen. It has everything that you need to get started. So in case you don't know, really quickly, Princess House has the highest quality nonstick cookware. It is all 1810 stainless steel. In the bottom is a thick disc of aluminum. It heats up the foods easily. It heats them up all in one. There's no hot spots. It stays hot longer, and it's great even if you have a large piece on a small burner, okay? Our nonstick doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals. There's no PFOA, no PETE, and it is bonded to the stainless steel. To give you an idea of how sturdy our cookware is, all of our pieces, first of all, do come with lids. They can all go on your stovetop, either gas, electric, flat top, or induction. They can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lid, up to 450 degrees without the lid, and they are dishwasher safe. Every single piece of our cookware comes with a lifetime warranty, and this is from a company that's already been in business for 55 years. Here's something cool too. If you like to hang your cookware, a lot of people do, they make the lids so that they fit right over top. So if you hang them, they all stay together. Isn't that kind of cool? And if you don't already know, hopefully you can see, I'm not sure if you can just because the way the light is, we have a beautiful Princess Heritage pattern all around the etched into the lid. We believe that pretty can be practical. So you ready? Here's your set. This is an 8-inch skillet. This is great for all of your breakfast, your omelets, your grilled cheese, anything like that. Then we have a bigger one. This is the 10-inch skillet. So this is good for multiple foods. If you're cooking at night, you have your steak, your chicken, your fish, right? Good size. Then we have a 3-quart pan. And what's really cool about this, you can see it has pour spouts, right? But look at the lid, and I want to show you how it has the little, I don't know if you can see, it has the little indentation, and it's actually a strainer. So this is great for like macaroni and cheese or mashed potatoes or vegetables. You can strain it right into the sink, and you don't even need a colander, all right? This is 3 quarts. And then to round out the set, this is a 5-quart stock pot, which is usually a great size for most families, and the same thing, it has the pour spouts and then the silicone lid. So these 4 pieces are the basics for any kitchen. They have everything that you need to get started. Well, I run a little magic with Princess House. I run my numbers and I make great layaway packages for you. So this is a bonus offer. For the price of what you would normally just pay for these 4 pans, I have a bonus offer. I have 3 items that you can choose from. You can only choose one, but it comes right along with the set. So you ready? I don't even know which one to start with. I'll start over here. So this one is a grill press and pan. So you can see the grill markings. It's nice and heavy, and it has the grill press. So this is good for your steak, your chicken. It puts those beautiful char marks on it. You can also use it for making panini sandwiches. This is in the book for $199.95. That could be yours, bonus #1. Or you can only get one, bonus #2. Same type of product, but this is cast iron. Our cast iron has a gorgeous metallic bottom, and this one actually will come with 2 lids. It comes with the press, so if you want to do the same thing, you can do it, or it also comes with the regular lid. So it's actually called a grill steam and press pan. This is in cast iron. This is bonus #2. Or you can take bonus #3, which is a double burner griddle. So this goes front to back on, hold on a second. It goes front to back on your stovetop, and you can see how nice and large it is. You can make 8 pieces of French toast, 8 pancakes, 8 grilled cheese sandwiches. Remember, it can go in the oven as well, so this can be great for pizza, chicken, steaks, anything. So that's my deal of the day. You can get all of these pieces and then one of the bonuses, either the grill pan in the cast iron, the grill pan in the stainless steel, or the double griddle. The total cost for all of this is just $528, and that's complete with tax and shipping to where you live. You can take it in payments. You can do 6 payments of just $88 each. You can do, 5 you can do it however you want. So contact me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll be happy to make you the offer. And then you can figure out which way you want to make it work, okay? I have one more bonus for you. I do want to let you know that this special ends this coming Friday, which is November 23rd, ends, all right? But if you do get it in time, you might also want this extra little bonus. This is a set of 6 of our Pavilion soup mugs, and you can get them for just $19.95 with this whole offer, okay? So as I said, reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. I'll be happy to help you with the payment arrangements, but you know what? Your kitchen deserves new cookware. Your family deserves new cookware. You deserve new cookware. And I'm gonna tell it to you like it is. Here's how I feel about it. This is an investment in your kitchen. These pieces have a lifetime warranty. You will never have to replace them. I think about how many times my husband goes to Home Depot because he has a project that he has to do, and he'll buy a tool for that project that's $150, and he'll use it once and then it's in the shed. So these are items that you will use every day. They are definitely an investment and you will never regret it. All right, reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I will hook you up.